Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2020 Harley Davidson Softail Deluxe, and this is in billiard red and vivid black. Lots of beautiful chrome detailing, nice tall windshield, really comfortable grips. This is all on the 107 cubic inch engine, and this thing's immaculate. It's really beautiful. All the chrome looks really nice, paint looks nice. Classic tombstone shape on the taillight, even though it's a 2020. Really comfortable Harley Davidson seat. It's got a battery tender there already. We've got floorboards and engine guards, and just really nice looking bike. This one also does have ABS, and the white walls are looking really fresh. Again, 2020 Harley Davidson Softail Deluxe. Let's check the miles on it. And we are at 2,498. Come take it for a test ride. We are open 6 days a week.